Thank you, Daniel. Okay, hi, my name is Dr. Farah. I'm a dentist practicing in the practicing in the government sector. Alright, so I'm a mother, okay, of two beautiful daughters. So how I got to know about this program is via Dr. Ruhila's transformation story. Okay, and I want to express my deepest gratitude to Shannon and Dr. Alia for guiding me throughout the journey. Okay, before this, okay, of course, like the MC mentioned just now, I tried various methods, okay, like IF, okay, and then keto diet, cut carbs, cut sugar, OMAD, okay, but it only worked after my first pregnancy. Okay, but after the second pregnancy, I did exactly what I did before, but then it didn't work at all. So I got so frustrated, and then you know what? When we got frustrated, we been cheating kan? Because everything tak jadi. So my weight shoot up to 71. Alright? So after that, that's when I knew I needed some help lah, the external help, you know. Like, and then I came across and I took a leap of faith and joined this program. Okay, so fast forward, after the 90 days, okay, my weight 71, okay, reduced to 16. Okay, I lost 10 kilo throughout the program, and after the program, I continued losing another 1 kilo. Okay, and not only that, I downsized myself from LXL to S and M. Okay, and then my waist and my abdomen, I lost 13.2 cm. Okay, and the blue baju, okay, on the left side, okay, is my baju that I wear during my undergrad, my graduation in India that time. Okay, so dah berapa belas tahun lah. So I able to wear that back. Okay, this is the only baju that I takkan buang because I have sentimental value. Okay, and I didn't notice, I didn't realize that, you know, oh, one day I could fit it again lah. Okay, and not only, okay, this program, okay, I would say is not only for weight loss management program. Okay, it's more than that. What is that? Is my complexion got better. Okay, little did I know, I just wanted to lose weight, that's all. So I got another macam banyak benda. Part of that is my complexion got better, and then my energy. I have so much energy, even after malam pun I ada banyak energy lagi. Okay, and then my mood improved a lot. Okay, and the best part is my family lah. Okay, I'm sure all the wives knows better lah. Sebab my husband always say, you ni membebel lah. Kan, dia macam, you marah-marah kat rumah. But then, after the program, not after, okay, the first week into the program, my husband really told me that, oh, okay, you dah less naggy now. Okay, I pun tak tahu. I macam, oh, ya ke? Macam tu. Okay, and then the best part, during weekend, sometimes kita lah, yelah mak-mak kan, that's the time you want to lipat baju, you know, kemas rumah. But then my husband always say, okay lah, come, let's bring the kids out. But you know my answer? No, I nak rehat. I tak nak keluar sebab esok nak kerja dah, hari Isnin, you know. So that's when that's the only time that I need to rehat lah, me time, you know. And then, but now, in the program and after the program, even today, up to today, my husband selalu akan ajak keluar. I say, okay, let's go out, where to? Okay, and even night during the weekend, now dia yang cakap dia nak rehat. I yang cakap, jomlah keluar. Okay, so if you ask me, okay, do I have any regrets in joining? Yes, I do only one. I don't want regret. The only thing is I didn't realize this white program sooner. So that I can join it earlier lah. Earlier lah. And lagi satu, ada side effect ke tak? MC tipu tadi. There's only one. Okay, your clothes getting looser and looser. Your cincin, your gelang, your watch, everything. I think really longgar.
Shopping.
So you have to buy a new one lah. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you everyone.